Ever worried about a suspicious charge on your business account? Fraud happens. Even with the best security, business banking can be a target. But what happens after a fraudulent transaction hits your Relay account? Knowing your protection and the exact steps to dispute a charge is your best defense. Relay is set up with multi-layered protection to guard your money. This isn't just a single barrier, it's a system. Key features include mandatory two-factor authentication for your login, which means a simple password isn't enough for access. Your money is also FDIC insured up to $3 million through an insured cash sweep program, giving you significant peace of mind. Most importantly, when you use a Relay Visa debit card, you're covered by Visa Zero Liability Protection. This means you are not held responsible for unauthorized charges if your card is lost, stolen, or fraudulently used. So, you spot something wrong. How do you handle a transaction dispute? It's a straightforward, three-step process. Step 1. Freeze and terminate the card as soon as you suspect a physical or virtual debit card is compromised. Log into your Relay account immediately. Navigate to the Cards section. Here, you can freeze the card to instantly prevent any further transactions. If you believe the card is permanently compromised or stolen, terminate it. This ensures no future unauthorized activity can occur. Step 2. Start the dispute process. Once the card is secure, you can dispute the transaction. Important note, only transactions that have settled, not those still pending, can be disputed. In your Relay account, click on the transaction in question. At the bottom of the Details pop-up, look for the Dispute Transaction option. Click it and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be guided through providing all the necessary details. If you'd prefer, you can also call the Visa card provider directly to start the dispute. Step 3. Investigation and resolution. After you submit your dispute, the claim is entirely handled by the card provider, Visa. They will investigate the charge, which can take up to 90 days. While the investigation is ongoing, certain eligible card disputes may receive a provisional credit within about 5 business days. This is not guaranteed for every case, but it can help cover your business until a final decision is reached. Once the investigation is complete, you'll be notified of the decision via email. Knowing these steps empowers you to act quickly and confidently if fraud ever impacts your business. Relay's commitment is to layer security so you can focus on running your business, not worrying about your banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.